Thank you for having me at the board meeting tonight. I have been asked to put together a proposal for um, a new athletic program to join our athletic department. I have chosen to propose to add boys soccer to our athletic department. I have chosen this sport because I believe over the years, and you will see in this report, that it will be the most cost efficient sport to add. Also, there is quite a bit of interest with approximately 15 to 20 boys who are interested in playing soccer, as well as this could be a sport where we could eventually add on a girls' team in the springtime. So we could use the equipment for both fall and spring seasons. What you are looking at now, I have broken up the costs to start the program and the projected costs over the years. The costs that will be annual are highlighted in yellow. This is a very detailed presentation as I've highlighted specific equipment, uniforms, and stipends needed for the coaches. I've broken up the costs into three different sections. I broke them up into cost of equipment, uniforms, and the third section is coaches, officials, and transportation. If you, as noted on the screen here, the yellow indicates the items that will be needed to be replaced every year. Okay. With that being said, for items to start off, I have highlighted 20 balls. I picked the Adidas brand. As you can see, a lot of our brand is top of the line, which would cost about $400. We have the mesh ball bags that do not need to be replaced every year. Two of those for 20. The goalie gloves, get two sets every year to develop the program. It'll be something that needs to be replaced. Items that really do not need to be replaced for a number of years potentially are the field markers, the corner flags, as well as two high quality goals. I selected the most affordable one with two wheels in which we would be able to transport them off the field easily. That way football is able to play as well weekly, where it's not a permanent goal. That is the most expensive item out of the equipment. Each one costs $2,745. With that being said, the total cost of projected equipment for the first season would be $6,132. Uniforms, soccer uniforms are very affordable, very affordable. Total cost for soccer uniforms would be $1,528. The only thing that would need to be replaced every year are the socks. I've highlighted name brand product Umbro. Soccer socks 2-pack. We could get the same color for $15, and we could do that annually. We could order them in bulk. For the amount of items selected, I chose 20 out of the projected numbers. Let me talk about the projected numbers for a minute. Just in through observation in our current attendance, through our sports that are not as popular, our popular sports being football and basketball, I have noticed that we typically in attendance will get 15 to 20 come out for a specific sports team. Okay, so I maxed it out at 20 for the first season, so each item is selected at 20, except for the goalie uniforms, which are 2 matching the goalie gloves there. And typically goalie uniforms are more expensive. The total cost, as I said, is $1,528. Okay, pretty standard. So far we've talked about cost of equipment and the uniforms. Here is what it would truly cost the district per season that would be consistent. Going along with coaches, officials, and transportation, going off of the indicated coaches' stipends, I had pinpointed a head coach stipend of $4,060, which would be once per year, as well as an assistant for $3,199. I anticipate that as this being a new program, that we would only have one level of teams at the varsity level for the first few years, and that would be strongly encouraged to develop over the first 3 to 5 years. Okay, officials make 68 a game, and there are 3 officials for varsity contests, adding up to $2,040. Now this 10 here is the 10 home games. I came up with our projected number of games, and this is very accurate because I will be able to select the amount of tournaments and games scheduled, as not everyone in the suburban north has a soccer team. I chose to use a 20-game model, as that it was the most consistent one I saw of other teams in our area, as well as the suburban north conference. So 10 home games, 10 away, with the stipends added up. The cost of officials, as I said, 3 per official, is $2,040. The total cost per season of officials, coaches, and transportation is $9,999. Okay, with all of that added up, to start the program, the total cost to start would be $17,659, which seems like a lot of money. Over the years, as indicated in yellow, keep in mind we only get new uniforms every 4 years in our district. Every sport should be on a 4-year cycle, as noted in board policy. Our projected cost per year is $10,731. So with that being said, it is a very profitable sport as far as saving money. Addition of a new team, there's not much equipment needed to put together a quality soccer team. We can also expand and reapproach this conversation, if approved, to add a girls team the following season. That concludes my proposal. If you have any questions or concerns, I will take them now. Thank you.